Jordyn.
And I'm her mom, Jeanice. And today we are going to be sharing with you some super cute spring break essentials from Justice.
Spring break is coming up so fast, and it's usually the time where you go to the beach, hang out, and have lots of fun. And with these spring break essentials, it's sure to make it way more stylish.
Super stylish. So the first thing we have is this clear beach bag, which I love. It's actually a towel in a bag. So you pull out this really cute, really giant rainbow emoji beach towel, which is perfect for two people. So you can definitely
share with a friend or share with your mom.
Share with your mom, share with a friend, go to the beach, hang out. Very, very cute. And then when you're done, you just toss it in your clear beach bag. Okay, I love bags like this for the beach because sand
gets
everywhere. and usually I have such a hard time getting it out of bags and stuff, but clear beach bags like this, little totes, make it super easy to just wipe down and dump out the sand. This is perfect. And the next thing we have is this, really cute rolly luggage, because when you're going somewhere,
you gotta have some luggage.
You gotta have some luggage, and why not let it be super cute? So this one says Happy Girl on it, which perfectly describes Jordyn. And the pastel colors are gorgeous. It's got holographic handle on it, and the wheels spin
all the way around.
Which is perfect because Jordyn has such a hard time.
It's so hard!
With a regular luggage. We're gonna open this up and see what's in here. Okay. Alright, what do you got first?
So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this adorable skirt that says Get Happy on it, and it has unicorns, hearts, and even smiley faces.
That is super, super cute. I love the ruffles, but here's the thing I love as a mom. It has built-in shorts, which is perfect. That is like something that I always look for in skirts for Jordyn, so I'm so happy about that. Just in case the wind shows. This is really cute. And then the next thing we have in here, oh George, you're gonna love this.
Oh, I love it!
Look! Yeah, look how cute. Okay, so flip sequins are
just everything.
Everything. Jordyn loves flip sequins.
So satisfying. Just flip this way and flip that way.
So this one is just pink, and it says on one side, unicorns make me happy. And then on the other side, it says,
I love this side. So true.
It says, donuts make me happy.
It's like a shirt made for me.
That's perfect because you love unicorns and donuts. And I love that it has this like little cutout on the top without being cut too low. The thing I love about Justice is that they make super on-trend, fashion-forward clothing that allow Jordyn to be stylish while still being age appropriate. So I love, that's one of my favorite things. So this is really, really cute. But the flip sequin, I love the little cutout. Yes, girl. Very cute. What else?
So we're gonna pull out these shorts that I love.
Those are super cute. So these are mid-thigh shorts, and that's perfect because Jordyn has super long legs, okay? And then they have this like fabric adjustable waistband, which is
soft.
Very perfect because a lot of times shorts will not fit Jordyn in the waist.
Stretch.
Those are cute.
Stretch.
The next thing George, look at this.
Oh, kitty mermaid.
Kitty mermaid. So this is just a teal shirt, kitty mermaid on it. This is really cute. Basic, something for hanging around during spring break, and I like it.
Walking around on the beach.
It is a very, very cute. Super cute. Ooh. I like it. I love, they fit in the waist. Those are some cute little shorts. How you feel?
I feel good. It's so
like a mermaid kitty. What else we got in here?
We also have a swimsuit.
That is really cute.
Look at how bright and colorful it is.
I love that. That's super cute. It's got like floaties on it. It's got that neon green.
Look at how
the bow
bright it is.
detailing. I love that.
It's so cute.
That is very
Perfect
cute.
for the beach.
That's so perfect.
Or the pool.
Definitely. And then, ooh, George, you're gonna like this.
What is it? Oh, that's so cute.
So it's a pool, it's a bathing suit cover-up, but it's a
flamingo.
You know what's funny is Jordyn just named flamingos like one of her top 3 favorite animals.
I love it because I have a big stuffed animal, the flamingo.
She does. This is a really cute cover-up for, and it goes perfectly with that bathing suit.
It does.
Ooh, love it, honey girl. Very cute. Let me see. Oh, flamingo. This is really cute. Let me see. Oh, I love it.
So the next thing we have is this super cute workout outfit.
That is so cute.
I love the huge cutout in the back.
Yeah, with the banding, it's super, super cute. I think that Justice has the cutest workout clothing for girls and tweens. It's just so cute. They're all very trendy. They're all very age appropriate. They're all very empowering. Like they always say really cute messages on them.
I've got what it takes.
Oh yeah,
That's what it
you got what it takes. And then they also have these really, really, really cute
I love
teal
this cutout.
leggings. Look at that cutout. I love it. These are
That
so
crisscross.
very cute. These are super. I love them. Justice leggings or workout leggings are very
I love the
comfortable.
color.
I love the color too, and Jordyn's always really comfortable in Justice workout clothing, so that's a plus because you don't want to be uncomfortable when you're trying to get your workout in.
Come on, kick it off.
All right, let's see this one.
Did I have to?
Oh, that is really cute. How are the leggings?
Nice. I love.
They fit you very
They
well.
feel so like soft.
Very cute.
Oh, we even have more stuff in here. So the first thing is these cute slide-ons, and it says, "I'm really a mermaid," which is so chill.
Super cute. Those, I love them.
It's perfect for just walking around on the beach and just getting set up so sand doesn't get all over you.
Oh yeah, they're plastic, so you don't have to worry about the sand sticking. And I love that the bottom kind of looks like the ocean. And then they're glitter, so they're those are really cute. And they've got some sturdy soles. I like that. These are cute. This is go perfect with this outfit. Cute. All right, and then the next thing we have in here is this.
A travel bag.
This is really cute. So it's a 3-piece travel set that would definitely come in handy when taking a trip to the beach. You've got your big one, which is perfect for...
I love how it's clear.
I love how it's clear. It says Travel Life, which is perfect for basically anything you're gonna throw in there. Sunscreen, chapstick, water bottle, snacks, perfect for the beach. And then you have your secondary bag, which is super cute. And it has the holographic detailing on it. Hello, hello, every day. And then the third one is just this little clutch. Very cute for money, cell phone, iPod, anything. It's super small. You just throw it in your beach bag and be on your way. I like that. And then it has a little
Happy.
Because I'm
happy.
And then the last thing we have in here
is this Justice hat. Look at
so
the bright
cute.
colors on it. I love how it's so bright and it looks like tie-dye.
It does look like tie-dye. I love the tie-dye colors. I just think it's perfect for, you get out of the water, you throw on your cover-up, you pop on your hat, and you just hang out. You're ready to hang out. I'm gonna try this on. Not me.
I mean, try this on.
Does Justice have one in my size?
They probably do.
Oh, that's cute.
This is perfect.
That is super, super cute, Jordyn. Do you like it?
Yep.
Can I try it on me?
Yeah, sure. A little small.
All this stuff is super, super cute. I think it's all really adorable.
It's so perfect for the beach.
So perfect for the beach. All right, guys, that was all of the Justice Spring Break essentials that we wanted to share with you. We hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you got some ideas to bring on your next beach trip.
Absolutely. Please remember to like and subscribe to Justice for more videos. Bye!